Hey y'all, Carolina Tony here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here for the first time, please subscribe, and also don't forget to click that bell so you'll be notified every time we put a video out, which is always on Mondays and Fridays and sometimes in between, as with the example of this video. I am going to share with you a very important secret today, something that will make your life a lot easier. And hey, we'll go ahead and get started right away. Now, if you'll notice that my neighbors across the street, they have those hanging baskets and those potted plants all up on the porch. And let's look over here at my other neighbor to the side of me. They have some potted plants and all. But if you'll notice, every morning, and I didn't want to get them on camera, every morning you'll see them outside with their watering pot, watering all these plants. I don't do that. Now, I said I don't do that. You may think, why? Because you don't have any plants? Oh, yes, I do. Let me show you. I have lots of plants. I have those plants. I have hanging baskets. Look, I'll show you. I've got plants up on the porch. Asparagus fern there. I have a tropical plant there. I have a plant there. I have those plants. That's just part of it. Look, this grass on the side, new lawn. All of these. I never lift a watering can. How about back on the patio? Got all these plants, foxtail ferns. It's a potato plant, and these here, I don't know what they are. My wife planted them. They're beautiful. More foxtail ferns. There's more plants over here. I never lift a watering can. What? How? How do you keep all these plants beautiful and never bring out a water hose or a watering can? I'll show you. Let's go inside. And here is the answer that will make your life a lot easier. The BN Link dual zone water timer. And when I said dual zone, that means water goes in one way and it will come out two different ways in two different zones. And here's our product. Very simple to operate. It is battery operated. There's a little trap door in the back for the batteries. You screw the water hose in here and your outlets here and here. You can do two different zones. What do I mean by that? That means I can have this or water part of the flowers at one time. It shuts off, then later it'll come on and water the other part of the flowers. You can set the timer. The timer is very easy to program, and hey, it will make your life a lot easier. I'll show it to you already hooked up and working. Before we get started, I tell you a little bit about the timer itself. It's waterproof. It's made to be outside. It's made to get wet. It's plastic. Uses a 3/4 inch internal thread water hose and also 3/4 inch male outlet. It uses two AA batteries, and these things will last you over a season. A little bit about programming it. You can set the time of day. You can set when you want it to come on, each zone, when you want it to come on. For instance, I have mine set to come on at 6 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. Both times, both zones, 15 minutes each. So these plants on the front porch, they get water for 15 minutes. They're on the side, it gets water for 15 minutes. Also, my side yard is set up to water the grass. It comes on and waters for 20 minutes at 7 a.m. If you live in an area where you require things to be watered multiple times during the day, you can do that. Hey, you can even set this thing up to water your dog. Now that's my BM Link for the side yard. That comes on and waters the grass on the side. It's a single zone, and it comes on twice a day and waters this. And then my other BN Link comes on and it waters the flowers down here on the ground and waters the plants two different times. And here is our setup for the front porch and the flowers in front of the front porch. Dual zone, where it goes in one way, comes out two different ways, different times, different zones, and you never lift a finger. Now, I water my plants with something called a low pressure water system. You can buy these at Lowe's, Home Depot. It's easy, any dummy can do it. All you have to do is run a black plastic hose and you punch little holes in the line and tie them into each of your pots. I'll show you, for instance, over here. There's the low pressure hose running under the mulch, and then these lines here, they come out, and there's one that waters this, and it runs up and runs across the top of my soffit there and waters those plants. Also runs across the top of the porch and gets those. And I never lift a water hose. Watch this. You don't even have to be home. It comes on. So this is high pressure, and the flowers are low pressure. We were on a road trip for almost a whole month. And most people would have to pay somebody to come water the yard or water the flowers. I didn't. Saves time, saves money, and saves the aggravating dead grass and dead flowers. So, here you go. BN-Link, saving time, saving water. Dual zone water timer. You can purchase these online from Amazon. I'll include the link in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and listen, if you order this thing, I promise you, it will make your life a lot easier. Impress your neighbors, impress your family and friends. Order BN-Link, dual zone water timer. And hey, tell them Carolina Tony sent you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.